Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. And once the battery is charged, we can continue and we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Then tap on devices, select our HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro, and then scroll down and tap on the Restore Factory Settings, and then tap on Restore. We need to wait until the process is complete. It will take, I don't know, maybe a minute. And once you see, we have the list of languages on the screen, which means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.